So guys, welcome to day 4 of our design challenge. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you how I was able to create this stunning real estate design using just my smartphone. So I encourage you to watch the video to the end because you are going to be learning a lot. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. What's the background of the design? This is the background. Like I said previously, it's a real estate design, so your design resources must resonate with what you are creating or with the type of design you want to create. Click on this icon, lock the background. Now let's import the logo, which is this. Now let's reduce it. So guys, as a brand strategist, one of my core responsibilities is to ensure that the brands I work with get noticed online. In other words, I ensure that they find a space in the online space such that their potential customers or target audience get to find them online. And I can only achieve that by creating beautiful designs. So I'm going to teach you how I created this, which I'm already doing. So reduce this. Like I said in my previous video, beautiful designs attract potential clients. The reason why clients are not reaching out to you is because you are not good enough. The moment you start creating things that are catchy and attractive, they will find you. But you need to position yourself. Now take this to this side, move it to the end. Okay, now remove this other one, remove this one, remove this one, remove this other one, remove this. We are left with just one. Then move this, make sure it touches that line. Okay, this is okay. Now there's something else I want us to work on. Click on shape, drag this down, reduce it, drag it. Okay, reduce it a little. Okay, just follow. Okay, then increase the radius to 6. Okay, this is okay. Now go to color, enable it. Click on this plus icon, go to color picker. Then we'll be picking this particular color. Yes. Hope you can see what we've done. Now let's import some icons. This is the first icon. You know it is a real estate design, so there are things we need to specify in the design. So move this, move it, take it up a little. It's okay there. Okay. Now under it, you are going to write Good Road Network. So click on your A icon, edit. So bring this down, reduce it, place it here, and drag it this way. Then go to alignment, centralize it, place it here. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat Medium, exactly, and reduce it. Go to line spacing. Okay, now go to position. Let's move it. Let's move it. Now the next thing we need to import is another icon. This is gate, so reduce the gate. This is a gate. So move it, move it, move it. Make sure it's at the center. Okay. So what we are going to write is 247 security. So copy it, go and edit it. So let's move it. Then bring it down. Okay. let's import the next icon, which is this. This is a fence, so place it here. Go to relative size and reduce it. Okay, then go to position, move it. Okay, this is okay. So go to copy, then edit it, then go to relative position. Now let's import the next one. So go to relative size, reduce it, then go to position, bring it down. Okay, so we are going to write clean water, copy, edit it. So guys, we are done with the write-ups. Now let's import the lady. Beautiful. So place her here. Okay, let's place her here for now. So go and lock our image. Now go to shapes, reduce this, bring it here, reduce it again. Okay, beautiful. Go to color, enable it. We're giving it this color, dark blue. Now there's what we call brand's color. I don't know if you've ever worked with a brand. Now for every brand we work with, there are specific colors they use or specific colors that they work with, and as a brand strategist you must make sure that every of their design is reflecting the color of that brand. That is why I'm using this particular color. It's not as if I choose the color myself. No, it is because the color is their color. It is because it is the brand's color. Okay, now click on shape again. There's something else we need to do. Reduce it, stretch it a little. Okay, now go to perspective. Look at what I'm about to do. Enable it. There's something we want to do. Reduce it this way, then reduce it this other way. Same here. Do it carefully. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, click on your good icon. Yeah, mine is not perfect, but take your time and do yours. So move it a little, then go to color. We're giving it a red color. This was the color they asked me to use. Who am I to argue with them? So go to your A icon, write the word estate. Okay, bring it down, place it here, then go to font. We'll be using Montserrat semi-bold. So move it up. Okay, this is okay. Now the next thing we need to import is the location icon. This is what we are going to be using. So this client of mine is in Delta State, so reduce it a little, then go to position, bring it up, bring it down a little. Be writing Delta State, on Ichubo. So copy, go and edit. So guys, I had to pause the video so I can do this quickly. I mean the second information, the deed of assignment and registered surveyor. So the next thing is for us to write the features of the estate. So features, bring it down, place it here. Go to color, we're using the same color. Then go to font. We're using this font, Monsera bold. Reduce it. Then position, move it. Okay. Bring it down a little. Now let's write the features one after the other. So we are done writing the features. So reduce it, place it here. Now go to color. We're using the same color. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat medium. No, let's use Montserrat regular. Yes. So reduce it. Reduce it. Okay, then go to line spacing. Yes. Yes. I think we'll have to increase the weight of the font because it's not looking visible enough. So we are going to use this. Exactly. Okay. Now the next thing we need to bring in is other informations. Increase the radius to 15. Okay. Then drag it this way. Reduce it. Reduce it again. Let's give it a color. So this is the color we are going to use. Go to relative position, reduce it. Now go to position, move it, take it up a little. Okay. The size of the land is 464 square meters. So click on features, copy it, then edit. So we are done writing it. Bring it down. Go to color, give it a white color. Then go to size, reduce it. Go to position. Now move it. Bring it down. Okay. This is okay. The next thing we need to write is the cost of the land. So go to shapes again, reduce it this way, increase it to 20, then reduce the size, reduce the size, and go to color. Okay, it's okay this way. Now let's write the amount of the land. So click on copy and go to size, increase it. Do it this way, yes, and go to alignment, center, then go to size, increase it. So guys, there's another information we need to put under that 2.5 million per plot, which is promo of 30 plots. So in case you stay in Asaba, I think it's an opportunity for you to secure a piece of land for yourself and your family. Okay, so bring this down, go to color, change the color, then stretch it. go to size, reduce it. Okay, then go to position, move it. Okay, this is okay, this is brilliant. Now the other information we need to put, so click on shapes, bring it down, stretch it, so we can write their address. Bring it down, so place it here. Okay, then go to color, enable it. This is beautiful. I think we'll have to take this up a little. So go to import. Let's import this. So reduce it. Reduce it. So place it here. Then go to import again. Let's import this OMark properties. Reduce it. Reduce it. And place it here. Okay, this is okay. Now let's write their head office. So guys, as you can see, I'm done writing their head office. Now let's write the name of the estate, which is Green Heaven Estate. So guys, as you can see, I'm done writing the name of the estate. So sorry that I'm cutting the video, is because of the duration. I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, we are done with this design. So in case you found this design helpful, do well to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video. Most importantly, join our WhatsApp community so that you can participate in the design challenge. See you in the next video, which is day 5. Thank you.